I'm a high school history teacher at Faith Christian Academy in Orlando, Florida. I've lost a total of 116 pounds in 11 weeks at the Institute of Weight Management. Dr. Green and her staff have been just such a blessing to me. Staff here with Dr. Green and her staff, which the words cannot describe how blessed and thankful I am for them. As I continue down this path, my first goal is to get to 250 pounds. I started this program, I was 382 pounds. So I've come a long way, but I'm not gonna stop at 250. I don't wanna be a puny person, so I probably will never be considered skinny, but that's okay. But the direction I'm going now, I'm doing it the right way. I'm not doing it the unhealthy way where I'm going to put it back on, because I've got to keep my lifestyle. So I understand that it's going to be a lifelong lesson for me, and there's going to be many hurdles that I have to get over and cross. Kind of like what I said before, people that have substance abuse issues, whether it's drugs or alcohol, once you've been through that, you're kind of more susceptible to getting back into it. So that's why it was important for me to tell myself from the beginning, I can't cheat one time. And I think that's where a lot of people fail. I think that temptation is so strong, and temptation in life is just like what we read out of the Bible, that we're tempted every day. Satan knows what he's doing, but I believe that God has all the answers, and I know he does, because look where I'm at right now. So I just like to thank everyone that supported me. Please continue praying for me. That's important. I will, if I can be of any help to anybody else. If you're watching this video and you're contemplating whether you need to join this program, let me tell you, quit thinking about it. Pray, ask God to open the right door to get in this door, and just let the staff help you. I'm open to talk to you at any time. Feel free to contact Dr. Green or any of her staff, and they can get a hold of me, and I'd be more than happy to come speak with you and just be real with you, and to talk about real talk, not just medical talk that we don't understand half the time, but real man-to-man talk, like things that only men talk about, that we're afraid to talk about in front of women or other people because our pride gets in the way. We got to put our pride aside and make a change for ourselves, for God, for our family and friends, and for those that are watching us, those that we're leading, those that we're coaching or teaching. I believe that I'm a better example today than I was 3 months ago, because the students have been able to see a change in me. When I started this program, school had already started. This school started in the middle of August. It is now the end of September, and I've lost 116 pounds in that time frame. So once again, thank you, and be blessed.